Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Have you ever wished you could add a personal touch to your iPhone calls? Well, with iOS 17, Apple has made that possible with a brand new feature called Contact Poster. This unique feature allows you to customize the caller screen like the depth effect that pops up when you call someone. Setting up your contact poster is very similar to customizing your iPhone's lock screen. Let's create a contact poster. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your own name or My Card. Now tap the Contact Photo and Poster option. Tap on Edit. Then tap Customize. Next, tap on Poster. Use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to take a photo. Choose a photo you want to use from your library, pick a memoji or add a simple monogram of your initials. From here, I am choosing a photo from library. For that, select Photos option. From here, you have to select a photo. To go along with your chosen image, you can optionally customize the font size, style, and color. Swipe across the poster to preview a selection of filters, including black and white, duotone and color wash in the color of your choice. When you are ready, tap Done to preview what a person sees when you call them. If you are happy with the look, tap Continue. Now you can option to edit the crop of your contact photo. Choose a different photo to use or skip this step. You will see another preview with some extra options. Share your poster automatically or choose each time. Take your pic and seal the deal with Done. And just like that, you are set. Now every time you make a call or get on, your contact poster is gonna shine. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.